Hello, my name is Kevin. I am a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and today I will tell you what to do if you need to dispute a RentGrow background check. RentGrow is a specialized company that offers services for verifying the creditworthiness and background of potential tenants for landlords and property managers. The main task of RentGrow is to collect, analyze, and provide data on the financial reliability of tenants, including their credit history, rental history, and other vital information that may affect the decision to lease property. Such checks help minimize the risks to landlords associated with possible rental debts, property damage, and other problems that may arise when entering into a lease agreement with an unreliable tenant. The process of verifying tenant creditworthiness using RentGrow. The process involves several stages, from the initial request for a check to providing a detailed report to the landlord. It's important for both tenants and landlords to understand how this process works to utilize it most effectively for their interests. Initiation of the check. The landlord sends a request to RentGrow for conducting a RentGrow credit inquiry on a potential tenant. The tenant provides consent for the RentGrow credit check and RentGrow background check. Data collection. RentGrow collects information from various sources, including credit bureaus and background databases. Analysis of information. An analysis of the gathered information is conducted regarding the tenant's creditworthiness and potential risks for the landlord. Compilation of the report. A RentGrow tenant screening report is formed based on the analysis, which includes all vital information about the potential tenant. Provision of the report to the landlord. The landlord receives the report and uses it to make a leasing decision. The process of verifying tenant creditworthiness and background information with RentGrow is a powerful tool for landlords, allowing them to minimize risks and ensure transaction reliability. It's important to note that the entire process complies with current legislation and respects tenants' rights to privacy and data protection. What credit bureau does RentGrow use? In the process of checking the creditworthiness and background information of potential tenants, RentGrow relies on data provided by credit bureaus. This information is key for landlords aiming to minimize risks and ensure the reliability of rental relationships. Understanding which credit bureaus RentGrow uses for its checks is important to assess the completeness and accuracy of the collected data. Key information about the credit bureaus RentGrow works with. Major credit bureaus. RentGrow typically collaborates with the three main credit bureaus in the U.S., Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. These bureaus provide the most complete picture of an individual's credit history, including credit score, payment history, delinquencies, and other relevant information. Use of data. RentGrow analyzes data from all available sources to provide landlords with the most comprehensive and up-to-date RentGrow tenant screening report. Preferred bureaus. While RentGrow uses data from all three bureaus, in some cases, the company may prefer information from a specific bureau depending on the specifics of the request or regional characteristics. Availability of data. Access to credit bureau information allows RentGrow to conduct a thorough analysis of tenant creditworthiness, including RentGrow credit check and RentGrow background check. Legal compliance. All RentGrow data collection and use processes strictly adhere to legislation, including the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, ensuring the legality and transparency of operations. This knowledge is also important for those looking to dispute incorrect data in their report provided by RentGrow Credit Report. How to dispute incorrect data in your RentGrow report. Discovering incorrect data in your RentGrow report can be a significant obstacle for tenants looking to rent housing. Knowing how to properly dispute such information is crucial to protect your rights and improve your chances of successfully entering into a lease agreement. Here's a step-by-step guide to disputing incorrect data in your RentGrow report, including all key aspects of the process. Obtaining a copy of the report. First, you need to obtain a full copy of your RentGrow report to identify any inaccuracies. This can be done by requesting the report directly from RentGrow. Identifying errors. Carefully review the report and identify any information you consider to be incorrect or outdated. This could be errors in RentGrow credit check, RentGrow background check, or any other sections of the report. Gathering evidence. Collect all necessary documents and evidence supporting your position. This could include bank statements, letters from creditors, or any other documents proving inaccuracies in the report. Filing a dispute. Submit a dispute to RentGrow, detailing the errors found and attaching all collected evidence. Specify which information you consider incorrect and why, as well as what you expect from the dispute resolution process. Tracking the dispute process. It's important to track the progress of your dispute and stay informed about its status. You can do this by contacting RentGrow to check the status of your RentGrow dispute. The Bureau has 30 days to correct the error or face potential legal action. Receiving a response. After reviewing your dispute, RentGrow will provide a response indicating whether corrections were made to your report. In case of a successful dispute, information will be corrected or removed from the report. Seeking legal assistance. If all previous steps do not lead to the correction of errors in your RentGrow report, it's highly recommended to seek professional legal assistance. Our lawyers specialize in consumer rights protection and have experience dealing with legislation, including the FCRA, enabling them to effectively defend your interests. By following this step-by-step guide, tenants can effectively dispute incorrect data in their RentGrow report, thereby improving their chances of renting desired housing. In cases where individual actions do not result in a resolution, seeking assistance from our lawyers provides additional support and protection of your rights. Real-life examples of errors in RentGrow reports. Errors in RentGrow reports can seriously affect people's lives, hindering their ability to rent desired housing and causing stress and disappointment. Below are real-life situations demonstrating how errors in reports can negatively impact tenants and underscore the importance of thorough checks and timely dispute of incorrect data. Error in RentGrow credit check leads to rental denial. Thomas discovered that his application for rental was denied due to a low credit score indicated in the RentGrow report. Upon obtaining a copy of the report, he found that it mistakenly included someone else's credit obligations. It took Thomas several weeks to dispute this error and restore his credit history. Incorrect information in RentGrow background check. Emily faced rejection after her RentGrow report incorrectly listed a criminal record. This information turned out to be someone else's and had no relation to Emily. Correcting this error took a significant amount of time, during which Emily couldn't find suitable housing. Prolonged wait for error correction in RentGrow dispute. Robert filed a dispute over incorrect rental debt information in his RentGrow report. The RentGrow dispute process took over 2 months, during which Robert had to live with friends, waiting for the situation to be resolved. Error in RentGrow report leads to legal problems. Anna found that due to an erroneous eviction record in her RentGrow report, she faced difficulties in finding new housing. This forced her to seek legal help to expedite the correction of the information and minimize the consequences of the error. Missed opportunity due to error in RentGrow tenant screening report. Victor was searching for the perfect apartment and finally found a suitable option. However, due to a mistaken entry in his RentGrow report related to a previous rental, he lost this opportunity as the landlord decided to choose another candidate to avoid risks. These examples highlight the importance of regularly checking your credit reports and background check reports, as well as promptly addressing any errors found. Errors in such reports can have far-reaching consequences, affecting not only your ability to rent housing, but also your overall financial well-being. Why it's beneficial to seek assistance from our law firm. Seeking assistance from our law firm offers significant advantages for those facing errors in RentGrow reports or difficulties renting housing due to incorrect data. We offer deep knowledge in the area of the FCRA and other laws protecting consumer rights, provide assistance in disputing incorrect data, and handle cases related to the violation of your rights. With our help, clients not only successfully correct errors in their reports, but may also receive compensation for unfair treatment, with our services often provided without upfront payment as costs are frequently imposed on the violators of your rights. Contact us for professional assistance, so we can immediately begin protecting your rights and correcting errors. Our team is ready to provide the necessary support and strives to ensure your name is cleared of any unfounded accusations. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.